Welcome to the Mako Library series. My name is Jen and I will be your narrator for the series. I hope you find the information here helpful in getting familiar with our equipment. Carefully unpack all items from the shipping box. The Mako MA25 screening audiometer comes with all the standard accessories necessary to conduct a hearing screening. Standard accessories include an AC adapter with world adapters that are interchangeable, 3 AA batteries, a headset assembly, a carrying case, an operator's manual, and an audiogram pad to record results. The headphones come specifically calibrated to the base unit. To get started, locate the jacks on the back of the unit. Insert the red jack into the right outlet. Insert the blue jack into the left outlet. Insert the USB end of the power supply into the jack labeled USB on the back of the audiometer. Plug the other end of the power supply into a standard outlet. If you do not have an outlet, the MA25 can be run on batteries. Simply flip the unit over, locate the battery door on the back, remove, and insert the batteries. Once your batteries are inserted, your MA25 is ready to use.